Hiya. So I'm gonna do an Ipsy Glam unboxing, but this is not my traditional gifted July Ipsy unboxing. This is just a small little Ipsy Glam Bag I received a few weeks ago, but I'm barely opening it up right now because my YouTuber friend that's from Houston here as well, she hooked me up. She was like, hey, do you want a free Ipsy bag? What bag? I was like, no, I already have Ipsy. But she was like, ándale, because she had like 4 free Ipsy glams that she could like give out. Like, I think it's like a program from Ipsy, because this is the second time someone has asked me, like, they have like, if you have an Ipsy subscription, I guess like randomly you have like free 4 Ipsy Glam Bags or that you can give out to somebody. Like, I guess it's kind of like an Ipsy promotion, so people can like subscribe to them more and be like, it's kind of like a free trial, I guess. But I don't know what the other person gets if they help somebody out and give something for an Ipsy for free. But basically, this was sent for me for free because of her. She was able to help out other people. She gave out free Ipsy Glam Bags to other people. I don't know what it's called, but I'm guessing it's from whenever you have an Ipsy subscription, they just randomly, Ipsy tells you like, hey, get other friends, you know, that you know, or family or somebody, so they can get their free Ipsy, right? So I'm like, yay. I hope I explained it right, because I don't know how to explain myself. So yeah. So she basically gave me that offer, and I was like, I guess I'll accept it. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same as my Ipsy this month, but because it says The Great Escape, this is July theme. But the card is different though from my other Ipsy. So I hope I get products I didn't get my July Ipsy, right? So yeah, I already got this one. I already have this one. I think I already have this one. Okay, the only 2 that I don't have are these, but I already got these. Oopsie. Oh well, these are all the products. I'm guessing they sent me this, I don't know, or they're just promoting what you make it, I don't know. But I received their razor. Okay, we'll see. I hope I received something different. If not, I'll give it away as well. So, ta-da, yay, it's a Ipsy Glam Bag. Okay, so yay. Okay, so the first thing is Trifle Cosmetics Jelly Juice Tinted Lip Glow. Ooh. Okay, so Trifle Cosmetics, this is their Instagram handle. I love their packaging. Oh no, the box came out bended, but it's fine. This is a cruelty-free and vegan brand. This doesn't move. it's slanted. Oh well. So let me open the box. Ooh, Rita, so cute. Little, I love it. It looks like Lisa Frank, right? Super girly and cute. Like, I would buy this as a kid. If I see this at the store, I'll be like, I want it. Like, I mean, still right now, I still get excited for these things. Okay, so, ooh, it smells so good, like strawberry. Okay, let me see. Ooh, yay, it's strawberry. Scented, like actual strawberries, like organic strawberries. Okay, so it's clear with a slight pink shade. It feels like a traditional like lip gloss. It's not sticky, but it's very like moisturizing. Thick a little, but not really. It's a good in between. The formula is nice, the scent is nice. I wish I could use it, but I already swatched a lip balm. Okay, so this is amazing though. Like, this is so cute. Like, I love it. Oh, it's raspberry. Sorry, my bad. But it smells like strawberry. It's raspberry. Okay, I'm pretty sure they might have other fruity scents, but this has like a lot of plant-based oils, so like vitamin E and shea butter. It has like very good ingredients. Sorry. So it also has cranberry. Okay, wow. So it's just a tinted lip gloss. Jelly juice, yeah, literally it's like jelly juice. It smells so real, like natural, like actual fruit that you can consume. It doesn't smell like chemical, like at all. A little maybe, but so good. Like, it smells so good. I want to eat it. Okay, let me wipe this. Ooh, I'm glad I got that because I know I'm gonna use it a lot. Okay, so yay! Another thing I didn't receive is their Luscious hand cream from Refreshments. Ooh, I love the packaging. I remember when I was in school, I would buy a folder and it had the same exact print. It was just pink. This reminds me of high school and middle school. Yeah, middle school for me too. Okay, so, and I would love these colors like turquoise and lime green. I still do. So this is basically nourishes your skin, nails, and cuticles. Quick absorbing, non-greasy, and it's kind to your skin. So this is basically super skin friendly. Like if you have skin concerns, like it's vegan. It doesn't really have a lot of chemicals, basically, what they're saying. So I'm gonna see and smell it. Let me open the plastic first because I still haven't been able to try their shaving cream. But okay, let's see. It's just traditional white. And let me smell it. Ooh, it smells sorry, it feels very good in the skin, very soft and moisturizing. Doesn't smell as good, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie, but it doesn't smell horrible either. It's just not sweet scents like I normally go for. More kind of like grassy, like it's very toned down though. It's not a strong scent, so which I prefer. This is very moisturizing. Like it did absorb quickly. It doesn't feel greasy or sticky like lotions normally do. It's not heavy or thick, so yeah, I love it. Okay, yeah. Oh, no wonder it smells grass. It's ginger. It smells like grass, like healthy. It's just ginger. It's really good. Okay, so no wonder. Okay, I love it. Not gonna lie, like how it feels on the skin. Yeah, it's perfect for summer because we don't want like super thick moisturizer right now. Oh, you know that feeling, that sticky feeling, and then when you go outside, like I know this is amazing. Okay, so the star ingredients, wow, it has like all of these oils that sounds super good. And oh, made in Canada. Usually brands are not made in Canada, right? I'm noticing. That's pretty cool. Okay, this is my favorite thing, and this, wow, I'm excited. I'm glad I accepted because I don't have hand cream. Oy. And lip balm, I always use lip balm. I always run out. I need a pre-purchase all the time. Okay, this I did choose because they asked me which product do you want to choose, and I was like, I think I need a heat spray. I don't have one, a heat protecting spray. But little did I know that I got it sent for my July Ipsy. I was like, I could have picked something else, like, but oh well. It's fine because it's very tiny and I'm gonna run out of it. But I don't even use heat, but I wanted to have one just in case. So this smells very good. I already unboxed it in my other unboxing, and it's a heat primer spray. So this is from insert name here. That's the brand name. So it's basically for all hair types. It doesn't really have like anything like bad for your hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna end it here for that specific item because I already unboxed it. But oh yeah, I think I already got this one. Oh man. This is the Shades by Sean liquid pen. This is in the shade Black Onyx. Yeah, but I always run out of wing liners, so it's totally okay. They sent me another one, but wow, their eyeliners are pigmented. Whenever I swatch it in my hand, it's hard to remove. So I recommend their brand when it comes to eyeliners. So yes. And the last thing they sent me, oh, I think I already have this one from my Ipsy. Yeah, it's the Keys Golden Cleanser. I mean, they're good for travel, it's fine, but yeah, I haven't tried this cleanser out yet either. I already unboxed it on my July Ipsies, but this is how it looks. This one smells good as well. So yay, that's pretty much it. It's a mini Ipsy Glam Bag. So that's pretty much how it looks if you have like an Ipsy subscription and you just have the basic Ipsy Glam Bag. They just send you like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 or 5 items, like super small. But you can also get like the bigger Ipsy box. I think it just depends, you know, what you can afford when it comes to the subscription, right? Or yeah, what I normally unbox every month. It depends of your preference, you know. Yeah, it's basically what a mini gift she sent me. So yay, I'm excited. Yay. I'm excited for these. I might give the ones that I already have away. So yay, I'm so very grateful. Thanks to Jenny. Thank you, Jenny, for sending me this. And Ipsy as well. And I thought I wasn't gonna get it because I canceled the subscription, so they don't charge me. And I was kind of scared. I was like, maybe I canceled it and they're not gonna send it at all anymore. Maybe I did it too early, but no. Luckily, they sent it to me. I was like, whew. But yeah, yay! I'm so excited. So yay, that's pretty much it. Bye. Thanks so much for watching.